Acrel ADL200 and AWT100 for GHW wiring operation tutorial. In this video, I will show you the wiring instruction of ADL200C. As you can see in the picture, the left part is the circuit breaker, and the main body is ADL200, besides which is the smart gateway. The display board shows the single-phase ADL200 connection. Only 3 parts of wiring was necessary for wiring of ADL200C and the AWT100 for GHW. Extra noted, before powering ADL200C and the AWT100 for GHW, make sure all the wiring was donated for GSIM card installed in a AWT100 for GHW for GSIM card tray. Power wiring of ADL200C. Use pin L, L, N on ADL200 for current and voltage input. Voltage input range 220 to 260 for VAC LN. Max current input 80 AC. Noted, the wiring must be according to the actual live line current direction. Power supply of a AWT100 for GHW. Use pin L, N on a AWT100 PAL for power supply. Noted, voltage level of power source must be with the range of 80 V to 165 VAC LN. RS485 communication wiring between a AWT100 for GHW and ADL200C. RS485 communication wiring between a AWT100 for GHW and ADL200C. Pin 21 F AWT100 for GHW connected to pin 21 of first ADL200C to pin 21 of second ADL200C and to pin 21 of last ADL200C. First, you have to use RS485 to USB converter to connect the communication port 2122 of a AWT100 for GHW and your PC.